Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming where the Excel file lives and who can access it. This matters because network locks behave differently than local files. Once you locate it, close Excel everywhere and verify no one else has the file open. Then, right-click the file, open Properties, and uncheck Read Only. Apply and close. You do this now to remove the simple attribute-based block so Excel won't reopen the workbook in read-only mode when you next open it. Once done with Properties, open Excel and inspect the file right arrow info pane so you can spot workbook protection or a mark as final flag. These force read-only, and you must remove them to edit. If the file is on a network share, make a local copy or ask the admin to release another user's lock. Network locks persist even after metadata changes. Also check Protected View in Trust Center and disable it temporarily so you finish by attempting a save as to a new file name when save is blocked. This confirms you can write a file and lets you replace the original afterward. Make sure file permissions allow modify. Open Properties right arrow security, edit your user to grant modify rights, then test editing. If problems remain, restart your PC, verify OneDrive sync conflicts aren't forcing read-only copies, and contact your network admin. Often a held lock or restricted permission is the final cause, and they can release it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.